Hello, my name is Jair. I am 33 years old. I am from Trinidad Casanare, is nationality Colombia. I am studying. I am studying health administration. My favorite is blue. Um, my favorite food is rice. My family is important to me. Mm, I am responsible. Colombia is a beautiful country. Thank you. Think some information about me.